All right, let's go ahead and talk about ions. I think you guys get this pretty well, but just in case you don't, or in case you need extra practice, here we go. So here's our boron atom. Remember, normal atoms have the same number of protons as electrons. So in a boron atom, if I have 5 electrons, which is negative, and I have 5 protons, which is positive, I should have a total of a 0 charge, because negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Negative 5 being the electrons, positive 5 being the protons. They cancel each other out. The net charge is 0. Question though, is this atom normal? Think about that for a second. No. If you look at it, there are too many electrons. This atom is an ion. An atom with too many or too few electrons. An ion has too many or too few electrons. This boron atom has an extra electron. If you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 protons, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So this is an ion. It is an atom with too many or too few electrons. When an atom has too many or too few electrons, it gains a charge. Why is that the case? The reason is because if I have negative 6, which here represents the electrons in the boron, and 5 protons, then I have a total charge of negative 1. So this negative 6 represents the electrons. This 5 is protons. We said before that this boron atom has 5 protons in the middle, and then counting the electrons on the outside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons, 5 protons. The total charge here is negative 1. Ions gain a charge because they're unbalanced, and the negatives, which are the electrons, don't cancel the positives, which are the protons. On the other hand, if I had too few electrons, and I had something that looked like this, so instead of having 5 electrons, I had 4 electrons, negative 4 plus 5 equals positive 1. So this is what it would look like if I had too few.